Hello, my amazing people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends of the area where una they watch our video from. I greet everybody according to una time. My people, we don't carry another delicious matter come again. As we all can see, we are about to watch Umenwa TV. Frank Umenwa, he don't carry another matter come again, where he message to Star Majesty and Akobe. My people, make we relax, enjoy this very video. Please don't forget to like and share this video. Drop your opinion on our comment section below. Tell us what you think about this very video, and also not forget to subscribe to support your girl. Needed. God bless you all. Please share to your loved ones, share to your WhatsApp. God bless you. See you all on our next video. Bye bye.
Una go to disappoint una own fellow Benin person for party. They go give una money, carry una finish, book flight ticket for now, book hotel for now, for show. Una no go. But una go the best say that they carry artists, they come for Nigeria, they come abroad, come they collect money. Why they go abandon una for EU for abroad here? The artists where they carry come for Nigeria, go attend show for abroad. You were there abroad, where they here, they will carry you, you know what, attend the show. You go the form Buga. Star Majesty, your attention is needed. Because this guy video, I first watch the first video where this guy do. DJ West something. Make I see your name.
I'm sorry for that. You do not go, man.
DJ West,
DJ West, talked about Killer with the guy not soon on the 22. A month now. On concern no win that here Star Majesty. Anybody now come across any video Star Majesty who no ya apologize to Vanille or any or to me. He might get because I might settle. Since that time till now, Star Majesty might call it for the man. He might call it. If I call it all of you, man. So man, I know why apology video. You understand? So while our apology was accepted until Star Majesty or settle with Ivene. So when I settle with Ivene, to women I gave me there and to come yes or settle with Ivene. So you know, when you there to come any video not come across for life, somebody still apologize. It's not from me and it's not from my fans, it's not from my family. My man, okay, the video did my boy, my can understand. If you're buying you boy, my book a ticket in it, then a hotel. Even if you get 20% of damages, some people will big artists here. So while I'm not really on what camera, but where if you don't know only apology rejected, you know, Mama accepted. Thank you very much, everyone.
I agree to now with better start at all. This is making the second time with this DJ they do video. If I do video the first time without no insult, you know insult Star Majesty. Now this DJ also show for the party where he do. He book Star Majesty. He buy flight ticket for Star Majesty. He lodge hotel for Star Majesty. He gives Star Majesty money advance. Star Majesty manage the show. Okay, good and fine. You not go the show, Star Majesty. You not call this person. You not call out who have a bone. Until this person have to come out on media to come speak. And as he still speak, he not speak with quarrel. He came out and apologized to all the people he invited that was disappointed, saying that they wait for area better he normally show. He came out and apologized to them and also thanked them for bearing with him for the disappointments. You, Star Majesty, gave to them, gave to his fans and his people and the Edo people at large. Now, and requested you to come out and do the needful. You should call him. You person when you disappoint now, he will be the one to come out on media to tell you to call him for you guys to die long. They could settle amicably. Now you can't come out now they do apology. Without first settle with her first. You never had dialogue issue with her. Make una dialogue, settle una self. Because there is a reason why you not go to the show. So that you will give a specific reason Why you not go the show? You already put for banner, not for board, say you come. You just use that. You come like say, you come to use you to scam people. You come like say, this guy they use you to scam the people where they in city. Where you go that show, which is totally bad. That is totally unacceptable. Una wey be musician wey dey here go dey do all this one. Which one I can say make the one wey dey Nigeria can do? Now so influencer Kabasi do one the other day where they carry him for France because of him Mama Yash. Where influence, where carry influence go hotel go knack. Influence not go party. Influence reach where show day. He waka comot. He waka comot. Wala come play way. Emani rewana. I'm have a show. Niro why amu a show. We quarrel with the guy. People there abroad here, man, they carry for show. Now go come and they find people with the Niger, where they use now when they buga. When on the brick come show. I move what they rewan here, why we are disappointed over. Is that fair? No. Totally bad. Star Majesty, call this guy, may you settle with him. Because this thing not enter media. If they table your matter for media now, go talk on that thing. You already saga you the other day. I go watch the video where you already saga you. Wait to make me not talk for that Yore matter, be see. Yore was sagaring you out of ignorance. Yes, because the reason why Yore saga you that day, I have to go play your video from the beginning of your video to the end. And I so much thank God say I don't have to play that your video, that your music from the beginning to the end. I don't see where you measure Yore name for inside. Imagine que una suni Yuri. Now only the person where you mention your name is Obaseki. Obaseki diabaro. Urariabaro. Uweriadeya. Obaseki mwabayikot. Ura mwabayikot. Edo yawe muyikot. Obaseki and Abat Obaze. That be the two people where you mention your name for that video. As the Orionba where you call for that video. I don't see where you put Yore. But I was shocked. I see Yore the saga you with that same music. You know, always soon what you call the young. I just see as okay, maybe she the vex for you. Maybe you don't do well. Or maybe now that long issue, on a cure issue for his house. Out of live video. Maybe when you have go anyhow. What God said the woman do a saga. But I want him down your head, I know. He make me one to look back on him to see where una so new Yore where he may make una so new Yore. Your music they put up for social media with the player. You understand? Not be say you they pay us who they promote you. So if they pay you, may you come show you they disappoint people. You don't go to the expect us who they clap for you, but they call they play your music. Unu ni maria kpi won we na ma do yari awewa social media. You disgrace way. So my brother, cure your issue well with all those show promoter. I see ya move we cool. We are here come out like you cannot expect that because you go we ho. You go ya we ho. If not the table, you go ya the table. A musician ya we expect go ku amadoku. Who does that? Star Majesty, you have to do the needful, very important. Very, very important. May this person not pass like this. May not drag it pass like this. Now Europe here you did. You understand? Michael when we now. At the same time they carry una for party. Una way dey Europe. Now move and EU artists for party. Una call the fuck now. So promoter up. That one a big shame now. You get documents. They book flight ticket for you. They book hotel for you, you will sleep. But you come make you not go. If you get show, the show crash, you let the other one know okay. Oh yeah, Papa, CIB will not vessel. You understand? Okay, more put the show from that place. I'll come. Another they do on that show, I'll come play put free. It's just like the way influence take dialogue young. Influence go play free show for them. That one clear. Influence dialogue, the guy still come up for media, come tell the whole world, say, see how influence take settle. Matter quench. Simple. When the guy like to watch the video the first time, why can't the guy do second time again? You're supposed to diagnose this matter with him because in your respect to where or say the first time, we for come yap you. All those one are you, but I'm not be respecting you. I'm not like them get kinudo, no la or no tea. But you refuse to call her because you form big meats. Who does that? The way you help the guy they help you. No more will show who are helping. When I'm will show, I will help where because they help where the quarter 50-50. Basta. Or in Arewa. What? Star Majesty call the West Usagi. Very important. We want to settle myself amicably. So that you can see do video see we just settle. You understand? What I did. Now the major thing we can come to today because I said I will talk to many all those musicians. I will talk to many. Especially Akobe no wa if I like be Italy. Ogbalegbe ya ku yan eku ikuno na yaku. Ogbalegbe na land the party where Akobe for go play. Oh God, I need my drink. Iwe bonu mure this time around. Oriane. Akobe ya. But when we are Europe this time around, this Europe tour we na, nu we na suru ye ayemiomo. This time everybody there. I know everybody there. A shame and disgrace of them anyway. Shame and disgrace. Okay, I go drag you like I better pass my neighbor generator. We may me dokba. We may me dokba. Akobe, e we see no ye igato. If I boy love the Europe now, why say Nigeria we are deku but no ro. Everyone na boking. You never see church you. Just they play, just they buga. I will sama gonna get a Facebook. Iya mado do analyze e shame and disgrace no lawe gbe. Iya ma ga go ero wo gba de do boss e show no wa. Wo ya igbagri. O we gadi we na yaku. We gadi na re o we. O ve no si ayi o. Re o ve. No si ayi ye no nyanu we o. Re o ve. O ve no si ayi o. Avu e ka o. Ọ̀nà ya pé kọ́kọ́ lọ ṣe nínú wẹ̀. Ìwà fún ẹ̀kọ́ o. Ọ̀nà ya pé kọ́kọ́ lọ ṣe ibi epo ló pè á. Orí rere ohun ẹ̀. Ohun ẹ̀ náà sí ẹ̀yí o. Rere ohun ẹ̀. Dó sí ẹ̀yí iye náà fún èsè o. Rere ohun ẹ̀. Ohun ẹ̀ náà sí ẹ̀yí o. Oh, ìwà fún ẹ̀kọ́ o. Ọ̀nà ya pé kọ́pọ̀ lọ sí ibi epo ló pè o. Ìwà fún ẹ̀kọ́ o. Ọ̀nà ya pé kọ́pọ̀ lọ sí ibi epo ló pè o. Ohun ẹ̀ náà sẹ́yìn o. Rere ohun ẹ̀. Dó sẹ́yìn iye náà fún èsè o. Rere ohun ẹ̀. Ohun ẹ̀ náà sẹ́yìn o. Uyi rere o. Takobe ukwa, ukwa akobe ukwa, ukwa akobe ukwa, ukwa akobe ukwa, ukwa akobe ukwa. Tukwe akobe ukwa o. Takobe ukwa o. Akobe, tuwe ukwa. Ura undane ya gado yiya, iwe turege eto megbe moto. Akobe, ura undane yaga we boknya, utoge o. Ura undo yo sayaga tie boknya, oroge weta. Ona udu menwa yaga do yiya, torege o. Oh, iwe wenene goko. Akobe aso, or anything can happen. Anything can happen, we no menwa too. Akobe here. Anything can happen. Anything can happen when a mouse or two. God born ya, so I bol when every tally. Oh, but the babies, I do jawariku. But man, you go enter one chance until they go ban you of coming to Europe. I go drag you so they go ban you, they'll give you Euro band. The man catch a cotton with you never see anything. I go drag you for this abroad to the extent they go give you Euro band. More time. You never. Let me take my drink now. I go play the video. I go play on the video. Now, before I go straight to Akobe, let me first of all talk to Agbakman Rita. Mr. Eralawozan. Eralawozan wa talk besa. Don't stop. I want to give you a short advice. Because I don't wear audio one or go hang one. I don't know yet me transfer your go hang one or you go no where you right. Eralawozan. Off a bit. What up? I see that you are still in Italy. Eralawozan. Agala mo fene. How you go buffet? You understand? Yeah, we are webu. Uke bi ari ogwa wa de gwale ikiri yihe. Ra na be igba kan we. Ni abi ri you he. We ya ninye so wa ma emonu si ayewa. But you being in abroad now, first of all, think about emonu si ayewa, ikonu si ayewa. No ya agbe mi ane kiyan. You understand? Now advice I want to give you. Because we stay yo in Nigeria edo. Umenwa no sunda bi ko ni rewebo. Kate abi ko ne gbogbe ni rewebo ni wa mu kora ni mu we wa. You understand? It's so shameful and embarrassing and a big shame and a big disgrace to your personality and back and your later. Where we ka fuene no abandon, we no ye gane, no ye prison. Uene kokobiri poko yiri na betorino. Uene kitaya kweji ne betorino. Ewe ya muya lalo. It's so shameful and embarrassing. Wa talk be no wan omo ore ohiano. Emonu biere webo na ori mayano agu egba ore. Ikin deke me yan dere ba na we ni asunda oriolita ni mewe oluta biomona. Ni fear of wa no. I will stood and defend that boy or that girl. No we biere wona. Then you can't say because we omore wa ni baba ka bo ago talk ya le liku e webo na. Iyen we ami egbene kan. But inside there, kakabok ba okoto. Uki aleli kuni pe nerima for decades of years. Iyan majowa. Ni modo ni deliyegun because in yameroe. Baba use brain. Why they tell you these things? Because all these people don't get any to lose. They are ex-convicts. Majority of them are ex-convicts. I mean, you listen. Baba, you know all these things I talk. You know some of the story for inside. So use brain. Ariye clear. Ari no eken. Aga la no be ofe. Ayi go pofe. Aga ba go bi. Ayi bango wana ya wo. Area do tie. You are a musician and you are using your music to encourage a door worldwide, home and abroad. So let your attitude speak like your music. It's very, very important. Area working. You are a father to all. So when our father is going wrong, it's our duty to correct him. If my correction bring insult, I am sorry. No verse. But in every nonsense, there is always a sense. Baba, pick the sense with the inside. May you make use of one. Akanuchi. Words of wisdom. If they feel me so, Baba not play. May you not go learn. Now the logo now. Don't play. Use your brain. Ewe boy you know. Kate ewe job monoga. Ewe yang Akobe gwa gogo vikuse. Eyare wan ulwerere wato. Oyina bolofwa. This advice I give senior man so it goes to many actors, actresses, what they call themselves celebrities when they depart become abroad. I think musician here when I use brain, it get why. When I use brain, una not go like me. I know say make una like me. I don't need una money. I know they say give una money. You understand? But the word we are going to tell you now, the word of advice we are going to tell you now, I'm going to tell you now. Because of the guests who live for us, the wife who live for us. So no one give my have you boy have very give my walking my over. Obon yeah my yakin. I may be no kind, but use brain. Now sense on a brain. Oh I thought right there. I don't want to drink. I want you get wild. Now age simile, your similes, Similarly, many of them watch a Ghibli show, but the one in Prato City, the one in Prato City, I forgot, but man, I was too busy. You understand? For go, that's make I go back. I will miss my train. Or Prato far from me, where? From me to Prato, now go take me like say. Go cost me like that's nothing else. Like if I use fast train, no cost, no. Fast train cost me like 4 hours or 4 hours, latest 4 hours for fast train. Right from Rome here, Nyakam. From my city, go there, maybe 4 hours plus or something like that. For go, but I can't reason now. If I want to feel the government, I'm going to go. Yeah, you're a white one, where Akobe, you're a white one. Other do ya boast man why we a man what I want you go on your so with 10 able, with 7 able. They can Akobe now winner, and a company now winner. Akobe does not have a specific work that he's doing. He does not have a specific company that he's doing. Better. Akobe na money go, only time ever do, Umenwa do. That's in your Usahugwe. That's in your Usahugwe. When no ye bagwa o. I go sikolo. Me ade on figo. That's in your Usahugwe. That's in your Usahugwe. When no ye bagwa o. That's in your well. Kalaba ka ode me ade on figo. Usahugwe. Odafe odafe o2. That's in your Usahu. Oga iswo ni bolikuwa. Owa osien no. Ọmọ náà rí èjìtá mọ̀ bọ́. Náà rí èjìtá mọ̀ bọ́. Ramẹ́gbọ́n mare no yí kẹ̀kẹ́ o. Amawi mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ́rẹ́ náà yóò wẹ̀. They will sing song, read song. Read song wey will give you inspiration. Why spray near? Yes now. They don't go spray them. Now what are they? That's in here. Torino na pikoye. Torino na pikoye o. Torino na pikoye. Ilia Torino and na pikoye o. Torino na pikoye. What's my feeling on the house, yeah? Hey, baby, ya heavy. Here's my belly on ya. Here's my belly on. See wow. Just they use the people where they the city they shout. Torino na pikoye. Era vege Bobby. Umenwa do. Torino na pikoye. Era vege Bobby. Umenwa do. Torino na pikoye. Era vege Jackie. Umenwa do. Torino na pikoye. Torino na pikoye. Torino. He goes use the one just sing throughout the show. Throughout the show. No other song. Of all those old meats where they find Mark Bola, they could call this carried post, they come out. Yeah, $200. I do a tway, I do a spray. Oh, yeah, no go. Torino, na pikoye. Iye Kingsley Noga, Iwedo, Torino, na pikoye. Ugaso wa wada from wedo, Umenwa wedo. Torino, na pikoye. Torino, na pikoye. Torino, na pikoye. Ge mama Sonia, genare Torino. Torino, na pikoye. Full show. Na the sing we want sing with for the full show. Then he go make sure everybody know where the party. Now be the single, now be the show where they carry for wait from Nigeria buy tickets come. He don't finish. Every one bumpa no yasu. But so Akobe no get one song we want to sing. Because who they back and when they play music, they in Nigeria. They really back up where Akobe get when they play music, when they people. They bongo. You know they carry the musician, they come follow body, they come. Now, see my brother AGCBD. As it is now for the musician when they come from Europe now, AGCBD now they bust for the stage. You understand? The only musician now we don't beat AGCBD hands down now. For the beginning of last year, of this year now, as they do show for abroad. As they don't start to do show for abroad, which all of them will agree. The only musician will don't bust AGCBD, will don't beat AGCBD, hands down in everything. Now be schoolboy. Now be schoolboy. Ogomagbe for UK. Ogomagbe now be the only musician. That show way Ogomagbe Am I still gonna go? Now be the only musician now. We don't feel blast Ejisimili hands down for sure. No another musician. Akobe just they do show they follow. Show to show, city to city for Italy. Torino Umenwa ye, e prato na kwikoye, e prato. Novara o na kwikoye, e novara giri e novara me o, ivye novara o waya wawese bubeme e bume amozwo, ivye novara waya wawese. Akiwalika Bremen, ivye Bremen, ivye Bremen, waweka e, ivye Bremen, ivye Bremen, waweka o, ivye Bremen. Nyama song. Iwanele mini. Awe kena genyo kena kekeyo de no ri en se wuwe. Kena seyo kena kwakwayo de no ri en se wu. Iwan owa. Iwan jagun sono. O I see one in without una clear eye. Wa kedo igo nu waya ya. Igo nu wa ya kokemo. Ige unta high. Ige charge benefits. Why you spread Akobe? Akobe ke wa go back to Nigeria. Maya di moto we adiji wagon adiji venza oya bowa oyri also anya come off from agiwa. Akobe has never brought one person. No we kebe ni yebe dia we bona gume mo bo me pa le gbe no do agume right one gume mo drum me le gbe no akpe drum me gume mo keyboardist me le gbe no akpe keyboardist me gume mo bass guitar me le gbe no akpe bass guitar le be ino dey yo pare yon pa o ki yon pa emoji yon pa soft je off your boy ye ni ade we o e ta boy ye ni an na sungu we wa iga ko be no ho ana Akobe no dan won susu no kilo yi lawa no je musician ni kaya ke no de no bi agwa ni am na tin you see o wina na mi ya gie o wina a good leader. A good successful man must have a successor. A good successful man must have a successor. Kudos to legends Osayomore Joseph, who have a successor. I played that video 2021 when Osayomore said, "This is my successor." Akobe, no what ye pa no papa wagbo, no fafa. Ye fa like benini. Let me play you guys again. Nobody know him what ye webo. Ye edgy simile bringing full squad. Full squad or more day do aku the Europe. If you go edgy simile dance, go watch edgy simile show. He made a mistake. Edit that day yo, when that day, edit one day, when they keep on the day. Everything to go clear. Anything they play like say it dead Bini or Kuvel Edoyi. When you see it, when I am with you, no Mudia Yeki, no back up. All those is stage man. He can't of the do visa of the come. Omade greedy. We your bagaye. Let them know him alone. He still bring the squad follow body come. May they can't know them. May they still want to contest. Bro, you see, bro, they will see take picture, they will see stand. You know, picture me, I'm going to have money. Not return it. They do. Not my matter. Not my camera. I'm a bad guy. You know me. I know if you go get a baby, let them come and feel that, bro. Oh yeah, $2 always say new ball. Inside those words, still bring come bro. So you see person will still like. They will say they still give us. Bros, I like you. I follow you. Bros, this telephone. I beg hold this one. Maybe I not get. I not to get. I beg hold this one. Bros, not this one. Not to deal with me, bros. I beg. Maybe you still take this €50 or maybe you take this €20 out of show. That one are those boys own. They will still get happy. They say, Papa, you have really. I fancy more blessing. You never email okay. Oh, when we done it, we done it. I fancy more blessing only. We've done it. Akobe mo pa no muri. I remember when they bring everyone on the rest come. People buy gifts, go give everyone on. Women buy shoe, buy things, go. I will tell this my guy, I might see woman. The UK. Women when they love their music, they go show their love. Or tell me like Akobe, young parai, and when musician like belly, and when boy like belly, and when slave like belly, and when any more like belly, young power, young banoji, Azana. azana wana azana Akobe eke azana o wa su nya ku mo pa ai yon pa gbe gbogbo ore yeye ko e o we ko bebe no ma sigidi o wa o wa ni o pu o suku da suku Akobe suku o yu wen su ebiebi we nu we na we ni su ebiebi re ko e su ebiebi eke dan e ka tosi eke bisi na Akobe wo ya ko no kiroro yi lawa wa wa se wa ha ko wa kan ana gbeva wa na le go pa sun wo pa se o se eva wu you are two of your friends buy for your eye also no bona gun exhaust no done akemi egusun ala le jiro wa keke they were two best friends yen mami gbe yen mami mu yen ki Akobe le wo se when na asu yan gbe yen na when na gian no na yan damo ki ron yilawa ami kene la the problem in area Akobe because a boy rien Majesty nothing Umenwa which daughter Umenwa which daughter and which daughter ka bonwe o ka mujanwe Akobe nya a which daughter opa o ka mujanwe even my law been nya eni ka my feel ke gbo ne ko ka bono ya ni gbenwe awon bono mo ki ya ni gbenwe awon bono ma ni gbe awon bono hu don hu biebi shame and disgrace my law be when a which daughter win and we say which daughter over there na when a which daughter win na when you ga win loko a which daughter na win na we yere a which daughter na ropa no ma win na I go dey drag una dey come as small. I tell you say don't play, you will learn because I go drag you with the truth. I go use truth. E matter here Akbo will like now. What happen for Italy recently, guys? Yeah, I blog her just now. I blog her. Now go make her look back. Akobe no who this Europe where you come to is a Europe of shame and disgrace. Where God want to expose you, where God want to disgrace you. Now you console. You don't show now, you don't show. You don't show now. Nonsense. We work with the video directly. Let me just play the video directly from WhatsApp. I'm not play the one where I blog. Let me play directly from WhatsApp. Shame and disgrace the enter you. All the level time wait. It's shame and disgrace you, girl. Oh, you pay me for you, sha? Una hear that? A tear gas here chase everybody. Torino, no me mueyo. Torino, na pico ye. Torino, na pico you. Torino, na pico ye. Everybody bagger. This woman run for her life. When police press tear gas, they want form so they get document for abroad. Everybody move. Akobe meow. You make Akobe roule. A boy with big belly. Akobe don't move. What he love? He don't go. He don't do. He be one. He be one. He be one. He be one. Go. He don't when you want to take when you right go. He don't go disability senior. He be one. He be one. Go. He be one. He be one. I'm going to be one. He be one. Only on the put me. Ebono mure ma wina. Ebono mure Akobe ona clever with our police. Ebono wete murie e Europe. O ma wina this time around. Man, body where is the saga where is the your body phone? Baba you go ma we baba. O mo na ma ye we. Imune be mama. O mo na ngene be mama. Baba you know we if we talking na. If we talking na. Baba you ne be mu. O mo so ye mu nya che. Imune be ma we. Papa we no ge ni be wa go. Imune wa mu me, imune gbe ma me. Akobe hian. Kobe do wa won si no be agiato. Imune we o mu me. Imune gbe me ma ati, imune gbe suspended. Asun I do my drink. Yeah, very sorry. Oh God. Share the video. Share the video and listen and hear the shame and disgrace of. And we see now where you get on. Oh, no, when your daddy eke, wa keluanu. Abele ma izo kude. Bo ma ya ti ebo no gbalegbe. O ma ya ti ogun no gbalegbe. No ya ti ayela no gbalegbe. Gbalegbe ta ni. Una do sun ya gbo to ile wuwo ha. Ina iga le ni duwe gadi. Gbalegbe ta le ogun ga gbo o. Ogun so gbo mo ga gbo. Pe no bi ogun ga gbo. Le ogun ni ga gbo. Ogun ni do ga no wa. Ogun ni ga no. O ma ya ti ebo no gbalegbe ta le. Sarah bobozi. Ogun no gwo paracetamol. Eru oboro. Obo no mai kwe for 2 years. Eru ya gwen lanzia. E wa go pa ike William market. O ada ya chebo no menwa. Egwe ya chebo ni me wa gbe ewo egwe geleki. Egwe o ye gwe chebo. Wa ati ya demina ya chebo me maga. Tu na gele ya nego awona gbanu. We are demila we imhe kan we are on a boni get the semi me ya demila ya chebo ni me wa de we ya chebo na nguna de bu we na nguna ne president ni kai bo mo zuo ni wa ni e bu we ni saga no bozi o ya meru arwa mere we mana tie bo ni me ga ho mi abu we mai we ya watch a video ni me ya ka bu we bo ya basi we video wa ya basi ni tala ni ya basi we video ni be Budamie, Rita, we are yay, Garabo, no man go away, no man go away, trouble, where are I just believe, I just believe Arabi. Tamima, Gumatamima. Uda, a video or a video or Kareli, a band there or Bitu. Watch a video. You got one, my brother. Oh, I take big one. You will have we. The man wants say, it should not for what? We are here, bombing a woman walking. Yo! My brother, you ever know what you boo? As he said, oh Jesus, wonderful, wonderful. You ever know what you? So what was it? I want to do my drink. I want you. My guy, I boy it your way. The blessing yari, making our von mugu. No matter bona. No wa goson we yara out ogun ne wie ma no da bia awori yan saga we yen me nu we mo ebo agba ma saga obi me ro paropa ama eti ebo no bi me diaga wa gbon wa bo magole bingole bi o yu we no gbina nu we no wiyan e hope go we mo bugbe yara o me have yo o me ha o e government vi o e do pia Iyangoma qualified to be a mother. She's a dirty woman. Iyangoma wonyime. Onwanyo gosie Akobe. Ole Morocco no. Because of that, no, we are saying Morocco a jumbo no boy war. Me de Morocco man atanga ha. Ogbelegbe na vio mo vio no da fun. We no get at no be single. Ba na miere moja. E ma na pe ma ku ebo. E ya God daughter God son we because we be war. Sugusugu we sugusugu no wa sugusugu Akobe no zura giaga wagmo. You see the shame and disgrace make a prayer for una never know the shame and disgrace iya pe ma we but listen but make ma we wage o Akobe nya mighty ko model motor gbalepe blue bodo ugbe gaji Akobe nya ile la o mighty ko iya kuliya iti ga kule wo ya o Akobe nya Rita. Wọ́n Akobe nya Rita. Wage o Akobe nya mighty ko. Akobe moto gbalepe blue bodo. Ugbe gaji Akobe nya ile la o mighty ko. Kuliya iti ga kule wo ya o Akobe nya Rita. Be Akobe nya kawa. Okawa. Akobe yan sare wale. Na people, he don't set for Italy. If you want, oh no, mujagame, if you want mujagame, oh molebe kuwe. Akobe ya rule na we guess ni na nu porule. Me ya do ready. E police do ready. Akobe ya kalu le. Le police ya do ready guess you nu po. That the san person ya san bombo ya. Sister de kenu we yemo. We are post one. He is post one. We are to take train station. And you only know the police who are here. You go to the train station. A part of them are you about you. If I can hear the train station. In which no power. In the police who are you. A part of the way you want to. He said, no. Now where post the video now. Almost one down. Almost one I can oh, did you tell you? If you went there, let it get when you do. You, I will let you. If I can't, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Jesus. Jesus is Lord. God have mercy. If I can't give it on, it ain't one. Wala redia wagimaru we gati. Wala redia overo ya te ya no e wa wore. Wagimaru we gati na we gati mo. Why na we speaker ni le Bluetooth pa Bluetooth do e Mac. Bluetooth. Hello. When I cause you I go play for show. I go teach you now. I go show now why worry. When I could be the show, I don't give my work. I will show you guys. Don't play. Why problem? Why are you here? I will show you guys. Really, that yeke yakwe. Akobe na muni go me. Mi olita wado. Oh. Torino bigele. Ivedo waya wato apaye. Wela ina miegwe. Osolo bada gi mami ko gbalebe is wa gbese yo is patiyan ni keri ti le ni patiyan ni na to we gadi won na we kere wala ladies and gentlemen DJ na sia category wa to we see gato wa ye Akobe yan was it loud DJ sia category Sekoto, be koto kiri. Ari mo ko pala bu ngwa le mo ko pa yo. Ga ga be dije. Gube gwa le mo pa no ni. I mo pa no ni yen. Ayo my son, no ngwa le my brother. Mari yo no wa we say ge. Na gwa le be na mo da ina ni kiri. Ani we. Oh. It's here. Europe to na to This is why I get it. This is why I really want to. It should not get it at all. My, I am telling you, but it should not. Why am I Facebook video? I give I will give money again doing yeah. But do you know how? Yes, sir. What are the yes, sir? See, you go hear the song. You once you hear the song, you go know say now musician at this stage. This one, that song, who singer? Now later singer. If you don't need it to read them, why am I so? More Akobe go. One attack Akobe may bring the second month. When Akobe, when all the setting one a track is not being one, not beji. Now choir master song, then they sing. Who has the final say? Jehovah has the final say. Jehovah turned my life around. He turned my life around. He dun. Jehovah has the final say. Abato jabala. Kabi yesi beleka ya uheru. Abato jabala. Kabi yesi sweka ya uhe. Abato jabala. Kabi yesi sweka ya uhe. Abato jabala. Boba ni Jesu na boba na pick-up. Choir master song. Now so choir master play the sing. They will come from A, they go to B, from B they go to Z, from Z they go to Y. Now so choir master to the sing. All the way Akobe. Mo Akobe. If you don't need it, no boy ever was so. Mo Akobe. If you don't need it, no boy ever was so. Mo Akobe. They can work there in the track. They can set not by the year losing one. They can set will not pay. No one of course that's one. If you don't need it, you know why I was so. Boy, Baba will expire. If you don't need it, you know why I was so. More, I want you. I dare with my drink. Or there. You will just come out, add juju, carry juju for the body from Nigeria, come abroad, come use and collect money for people's hand. Ignorant people. They not go think this guy when they come abroad, so they come they sing, they spray you all these millions, thousands of dollars. How you tell they help the government? The country where you did, the Edo state where you did, how you tell they help the government? When you don't do these streets where you build that school, what do you do on that streets? As one of the richest musicians in Benin, when you don't contribute to the youth of Edo State? What's your contribution to the youth of Edo State? After making money with Benin's, the Edo people in the diaspora to go back home, how do you also pay your tax to the youth or to the life of Edo people back home? No, nothing. It's all just for you and yourself and your children. Just for selfish interest. Just for your selfish interest. And at the end of the day, you'll still come abroad and they brag. They bragador to the same people where they spray you money for party. The people, 85 of the people when they spray Akobe money for party, they don't get house for Nigeria. They have been abroad for decades of years. Even the son, even the second, they frustrated, they are humiliated, they are so depressed in abroad here. Here I frustrated in the way here we born, and water, and only the apple, my guy, or say you're not frustrated. E.g., if you need it, the highest you see them with is ukmon, close, less, high phone, big phone. That's all you see them with. And the phone where they even hold, they don't know A, Z inside that phone. The function of that phone, they don't know it. They are so deaf and dumb. Sack illiterate women, and they spray pass. Because it's a silent mindset of a reasonable human being. When get budget for life. When you know he plan your own life budget, you know how to spend money every week. You know how much income they enter your account. He budget on different things when you will spend each and every week. Till the month end, not go come party go they spray 200 euros. You feel so? This is the reason why you see say Igbo people They are business wise more than us. The time they go where they carry girls, they go road work. All these are women. Hey. 2021, 2001 they come. 2012, from 2011 to 2020, 2016, 18. From 2012 to 2018 they come so. Now open the eyes of the people with their abroad. Those days. Now we can open their eye. They be like don't because they not go school. Their past give their man sign from trolley carry they come abroad onto a shower. So they don't go school. That mentality of they're not educated, they're not civilized, they are so deaf and dumb. Anything where they all see they flick them. If they mistakenly see musician for abroad, they want that. But those days you see our women, Mama Talo Mama, they will go carry native daughter for Bini, come keep for us for abroad. You go see different junction for Italy, they're going to put Izobo everywhere. Our women will carry native daughter for Nigeria. They will put them for us, make it they do just for them. They will carry our guests for road work. They use our guests, they do slave for abroad. They use them, they swear for abroad. Yeah. You go see our mama Talo them. They will carry our young boys, put them for us, give them bust their ear, put gold for their ear. They give them food, segmo. They go bleach them with color white. They will come in fair. So they will come and bleach them like you will see the others will call the form guy man. They go to wear sling trousers. They put trousers away. They form the waist. Now all those guys now go they work for those women. They go they beat all those guys for road work, beat them, rape them. They will go carry musician come. They get party. They will carry musician come. They will come. They give all this women title. Name me one of Torino. Azib Bilibili one of Torino. Nanduni Nazaka one of Torino. Prince Mafia one of Torino. No, not Prince Mafia one of Torino. That's a great terrorist in Torino. Where is the prince in now? Many of them are born for Torino that year. They feel so all these guys they knock all these women, they flash their friend. Man, when one woman go they fuck in guests, in madam, in your girlfriends, in guests when they work for a road, they will be last and they will impregnate them. Some go say they are boss, they'll go give the medicine, cytotech with them, jam cytotech. They give all those girls, you don't frustrate many girls. You check many women for this abroad, they're not even born picking again because of the way our men don't use cytotech, they condemn their womb. They'll carry out this musician come. They'll come play. All the money where they work, they're gonna use money to do challenge. Who they suffer this money? Make us to the blow whistle. All these guys will do road work finish. Pack money give madam will give boys. Will give their boyfriend. This one want make boyfriend spray pass. This one want make boyfriend spray pass. Now they will so act better for the boy when the boy want to go to the party. You will see they'll carry bottle of money. They spray on. They spray on. Many musicians then they waiting to break the house now because of money laundry. The police catch some musicians for this abroad with money. Some musicians load money for inside guitar. When police hold them with, deport them. As our women do rich for this abroad because of musicians. These women they all have children for these musicians. They're born for these musicians. Different of them. Many of them born for musicians for this abroad. They just become single and they carry picture when they don't know the father. Because of what? Illiteracy. They don't feel integrate themselves. They don't go to school. The country where they're there, they don't know what's in, they don't know A, they don't know B. The Italo where they speak now, road work Italo where they know for road work. 85% of them don't go to school. They might drink. If you tell them the truth, you should be able to talk to Akobe now. If they pay for his ass. Because then they look at Akobe like Jesus Christ. Then they look at Akobe like God. Akobe, 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 oh bono, Akobe, oh was okay, bon. Who give a fuck? With Akobe, Akobe not God. If he do not God, not be my God. If he get level at the Italy, may come sue me for Italy. Say they come to Italy, they travel, they come, they get document. They go to Questora, you go donation me, say I they bullion. You understand? I don't gather all your evidence, I'm going to destroy for this Italy. You go Questora, I'll go see letter. Like as I reach my house, I'll see letter from my boss. Say Akobe donation me, I'll go give my lawyer. All the money where they spray for party, I will pack all of the comments. I go disgrace you for this Europe. You think I'm Benin? Let me say you give policeman money, policeman go shock you person for inside prison. To hell with you, I'm not there Benin with you. Now this place I'm gonna deal with you, and this place I'm gonna disgrace you. Benin when anybody go fit talk. If you talk, you the only guy who get influence, who get level. Next they talk of Benin. You get when we talk, which they don't use level take question, they will use Curtis take question, or they will use Kofra take question, or they will use assassin take question. But for this place, go down in Bueli. Show ya jaw, finance jaw in the jaw in it. I will if you go and create a the next time when you go, where they will catch you for show, they will control you. Already, your data everything already the grant now already. A matter was or lawyer and I get with strike. Me, I want me to strike. Now hear me before your hand. I want to work body wedding. Come here, I can't work body wedding. The man said, "Mammy, have a problem. If you will, Mammy, have a problem. Because I hear me at the day. Mamma, one problem. Yeah, I tell you, if you have $1, $2, $10, you will like why I won't be here. But I'll give me a soup guy. This is my office. When you get here, if you don't know, why am I say, more Akobe, more Akobe, every Mary Latin with social media, Akobe, talking as soon go, my Moswell, and we see a gato, if I bother our bill, Moswell, and we see no ya gato, if I bother our bill, Moswell, Benny Babola, if you have a letter now, Moswell, get a gas mungu and then never over, Moswell, if you don't let out talk with a yo go, Moswell, let's go there. Yes, when we my cocoa was a wa, a really my cookie messover. When we see a body, the reality of body, what berawa. If we are what berali you are, Vapoyamuna Benny Yeranyao. Era soon will Akobe. A John Danny, near I'm with yo. I am with you, and you are no woman in you, and you're any young bell, or beg you walk below Badawa. And we let him at all like Benny or Yakbera. All your transfer that will be all transfer that will be all will be more bigger, more time. But I give me rock. Then they say, Sakobi, why can't Akobe see a bonnet one? Why, what's Sakobi? When the government is Sakobi, why is Makobe Akobe see a bonnet one? Akobe see a bonnet why so done? Then yes, Sakobi. You understand? Akobe see a bonnet one, I'm here, but all love me. Unless you want one, Messi Akobe. Wa go. No, I come across Akobe. Sakobi. I can't want Akobe. See me, I say. Threatening people you want threatening. I don't know about the you community man. I don't know come my family. My family they call me Sakobi. I say everybody say your name. My father don't die. And my father connect me on now. Then my power connect me on now. Don't back. So you don't get right. And none of you get right to tell me what you want to. Everybody stay your money. Not concern now. Everybody bear your father's name. Straight down. Bear your father's name. If there is such a power, you don't be talk. They your own down your own. They don't feel so much person go for coffee. I go sagara. This power where I still get for this social media. Now go to disgrace Akobe and the family. If you go ask, go do what you command. It's not my business. Anybody who you have bananas for us, you day or club 7, no day club 20, now you know it's not my business. Any of the member will join with your club 7, go arrest them. Any strategy we want to strike, I dare for sure I will expose you more time. Man at the fact here, we're gonna try to you are not your so-called musicians, those your so-called promoter in go ask them who I be. They will tell you. Abola wa Ramonia, who were just one big. Yes, one who were not why I swan feel a pure water, feel a can water when we shoot. What on I matter we are setting it. A bonumure we boni, what on I get boni here for them. A boni event, this one will show you lesson. Say your juju know the work again. It will make you know say your juju Akobe, you know the work again. They don't disgrace you for party now. They don't pursue you for party. Now you will know say, but you know what? This one is just the beginning. The beginning of your downfall. Now you see so. I who were there you cool. I who were there. But I don't chase you now. I want to small. Now small you don't see so. The chase when they chase you, they sweet me. I be saying I want to drink beer today. So I hear this chase now. Say why I don't go drink beer? Umenwa, why you don't go drink beer? Why you don't
drink beer? Ugbe gadi Akobe ni ile la o Majesty ku ya kuni ya ti ga ku le wo ya o Akobe ni ari le kan
Akobe ni ari Akobe ni ale Akobe ni ale. They use police chase them. They use police chase them. They change that for them. Egbe mi no sunu na all te sunu da le breme dete ENOGIE breme. Egbe mi no sunu na all te sunu breme. Now waiting for happen for Bremen. If for be say ENOGIE and Akobe for whole body whole ground, I can go came police. Police for come. If for see waiting for happen. That this time they'll close that hall straight down. They'll close that hall straight down. They'll control everybody within that hall. Everybody document need to be controlled. But now when they go show, be careful because if I get any of the address of the show when they go down when they call police for now. Now me talking. I answer for live video, not be saying a joke. Here I say police in what? When the show now when the mission they will you do always show. Unless you get a poster of the address, the day I go to control police for now. Here I do I control what the whole thing. Come on, me look. This is when I swing. It be my hand swing. While I make musician can I give the are I go. Why I go ne why so why I belly ball body motor. Even on feeling what you might do 50 by 100. Now let's go to what why get me a very young boy or carry me in at all. You have to tell my little boy now 20 because you are a boy boy Nigeria. I'm just on the Bunera when I might they don't get house for my job. It's what better flat to flat no is it okay okay quite. It's not about in town. They are frustrated. If we are frustrated, our so-called Benin brothers frustrate many of our women for abroad because of love. Because of love, now they say they do show motaso. I want to DJ. You know how many women DJ Jeff don't frustrate for Rachel Bila? DJ Jeff the central man. You know how many people DJ Jeff don't frustrate? Now do I for me DJ? Do I for me when you sue? No, we are money Akobe. One when I frustrate, including my boy. Yeah, I said, yeah, boy. Yeah, boy was an ex-girlfriend to DJ Jeff. I went on one rubbish. Yeah, boy, I do not Akobe. Akobe was not board you or board you let you know more than 10 houses near Ebo. When I've been on my you have been abroad for 20 something years. When I see you say Akobe, Umo Wakba, a bank when you come my foundation. I want to ban we are over water. A bank when you bomb my yagbe foundation. Akobe when you will be known there, you want Akobe 10 house. Yeah, boy, a tenant where you will walk. Or your chief Okida or more why I don't know what stage you want flats. You will do to Bowana. Akobe when you say, I have 10 house. Don't worry by your partner. Rubbish. Nonsensical buha. I'm a lawa part 1 and 2. Don't play. Ya live. If you live in the airport, are you turn? Airport, are you turn? Airport, or if you might be Bowa, in Nigeria. Or Binana Kobe. Nakobe. That year came at 10 house or Matty York Manuel. I was Vodumako. Mugger, idiot. These are ex-prostitutes. Decades of years in abroad. They have done a lot of things in abroad here. You went back on the plastic. Beg. Oh, we want to be from garden now. If we're gonna near we have to be again. Why you can go out. At the end of the day, it's being frustrated without having nothing at home. No achievements. No achievement. Then we will see them on social media like a wealthy woman. They have nothing. They sleep in one room here. When you go see them at party, Unless he get. Unless he go bioye. Amu you. Iya mo pa. Iya mo toya mo de wa. Iya mo wa ya o do ya. Iya na we bo. Mais non d'oreille no de. Moi me 2 room self container 2 bedroom I rent. 2 bedroom he rent now. He have documento. He pay 2 bedroom every month. 450 euros. We're not better the case yourself. No, nobody like Akobe. Person, you see the squad of person with the squad of person. Ayemiomo where you are. Ayemiomo where you when one you go there. Oh, when where you go do what where free of charge. I don't want to be here. Nonsensical buha. Abe we are. Abi when we are the being. Why they can want to why are big way? Lad and Ratia, but no winning. I don't know how to apologize. Do not Umenwan. You will not know that apology was out of distress. Under distress. All your apologies to me. You don't know. For that man, he don't go like this Akobe. Yawa be a arena. Daddy Eke. Mama Eruwa. Daddy Eke, I go like I want to take picture with Daddy Eke. I know the one with picture. So you put make me laugh. I don't dare on social media. As I just snap picture with Akobe. For the most of you die. As I just post the picture that Akobe snap. For the most of you die. You know Jesus. When we picture with the Mama, Mama spirit with picture. Men are jealous where we picture with the Muda Akobe. Who are getting 2019 and I put a picture of the Radio Emila with that Akobe no one and DJ Jeff. No Zuara. Ye man so I was why my yara go never go never go. Do I my yara go? They used to collect money. Whether the more picture, Akobe more picture, me now jealous way like I don't understand. No give when and when I no gina, we jealous. I don't know. This should be a way. But we can complain here jealousy. Yan jealousy we so. If you slow balloon, the document slow balloon. Yan jealousy. O one slow balloon, one day Italy, one day Germany. A jealousy way. Imo to day Germany. A jealousy way. Oh. The jealous way now, or monobia, I jealousy. Or one who now who not be. Then the jealous way, everything in a way, Meliwi. You are a mugo. Ugly. Okuna woman. In a jealous way, who he will not look weko, or going now my calling them was another be in a jealous way, who can't go. You know, I jealous get responsibility, I don't know where we are. Jesus. But you do you know the responsibility not go where? Go for 4 children. Ni me hello the jealous. But who touch me? Remember they pity me. TPT where? Bro, and they pity you. Not say I got the jealous you. I got the jealous gift get better for everywhere. Nya be more than nya. And you know the stress. Picking the crowd and nya. They don't see your face. They don't see you know the bath now. When you are where ENOGIE. When you boy are where make when no we are this now. When we are going to be where. When we are not going to be feeling it. When you are feeling like you are maybe true. Yeah, where. When we are going to be where. Because when all had the crap that's help me Olana. Just the crap help me just only the stress when they pass through and look for that house. God. Not they pretend for people. They let what they know. That's why my life different. They let what they know how they enjoy with your children. They let them know how they suffer with your children. Tell us you who be a battle in the social media. You don't have jealousy. Where say so nobody will jealousy when ENOGIE. The jealousy under 3 and 4 years will be a man. You don't have jealousy. About crazy. This war. When stress no river. You don't go tell them the stress. You don't tell them the jealous. Or be a pie jealousy where bros. Or a money on one. Face a business you have. Face a like suffer with them. Why the pampas? You just say my beans. Do body papas do go papas do bet papas do bear no papas. Ija ya ku na, ija ya ku. My mama just say ya ku do demoji okay ya ku ni. Na evie. I be by because you have me and give by you know the stress. Don't say that. If I jealous you because the stress is all gross and to enjoy, not your life. You don't enjoy anything. And one guy in one they don't big girls, you know. They do things. Who are we jealous? You're gonna have to jealous that time. You just your children don't become big girls. Then they do things now, you know, they cash cruise. You don't use the cash cruise, they come and say, Daddy, I give you 200,000. I give you 50 euro. I give you 100 euro. Daddy, take this. I don't work home. Don't pay my salary this month. Daddy, take 100 euro of my salary. If you say the jealousy that I go here, you can need for a jealousy. Where who say we make pampas? If you are jealous of pampas, war. I look like Mugu for your face. Like how the jealousy when they type pampas. You may relax, you probably like me beer, you ready to see them. Kevin, my son, how sir? Give me that glass. All year back, oh yeah, the glass is good. They won't take boom. Kevin, how sir? Go and lock that door. Oh yeah, happy cool. But jealousy me bros, because we they live now like big man. You understand? Mais il peut pas passer now. Baby money me young. We are get to sound don't say away. Only I get around. Not that you ka ku de with them. So no one of them one so no so the original nota. Then you jealousy way. Arewa. E mo ya no ma ye ka ebie. E ya manoa. E ya samaye wa to ze. E mo ya no ma ye ka ebie. E ya samaye wa to ze. O so no one give money ma ye ki ma be samaye ma to ze. E mo so ro e mo ya ni adult. O se ni ya e ni adabedele. Ni ya yekinya bie e ya ho awewego no e family ya exist we wero rubbish iye wo upo wuyi upo keke nonsensical buhaha arewa just dey play dey fool yourself because we all have mind about here. I don't buy drink Akobe nwa gbinana o me go se generation gwa at the end of the day e fore o ma samekwa e marriage you whether I could marry a couple no come say or marry no when we die say okay we die na Akobe e go son o we marriage o ma yo o re Nigeria o ma yo o be mi we Germany o ma spray we o ye every girl my TV marriage we you guy we the one we no oh how mo harry what e yo o wa we need 50 euro me we be ma we me you know no mo amiwe yo isaga bobozi oguku oye be kwa no gbe no be bare okay be dane akaya aka super glue Akobe hin akaya aka super glue Akobe hin aka super glue na mi agbon le Akobe yan very greedy set of human being and you guy na ko ha how we do marriage Akobe devil 1.2 million naira wo him mo million naira eziwo at the end of the day Oteme, David we have marriage. Obi okuko, oya marriage. Obi okuko, oya marriage. Nothing to achieve. Useless of women. When who are live here who. But man need to agree about Akobe. Papa, Daddy Akobe have never posted the post video one day. No when you posted video one. Now, yale guy na when you use your moro you. Akobe posted video there. Because you know you are a nuisance. You don't want to associate with you people because you are stupid. Who are all war. You will never post your video. Upon will be done. You are saying again, is your moroji. Akobe post a video on daily basis. Why they move a word like bottle? If you go a school, when you are come, you are what he said. When I'm here. Wa billion go be big here. E wa yam lele no say we ro. E monika no bobole e monika share video we. You know they share your video. O ma share video one day. Akobe no binana, Akobe ma share video. Akobe do exist. Be o hen ro wa go be cool. Come here, come here. Wala be picture. Rubbish. Akobe go. Akobe a G 50 by 100 in one. Be na mo to say. O be G 50 by 100 do ya no. Oh mama we see Akobe here appreciate for mama is when you with the boy. Una aye gbo ma do ya vie bo. Do ya vie ihe obi social media because we are people na Akobe. The pressure is real. Do me you agbe tete. Ba no agbe tete no ka we ye party ye finokio party no agbe tete. E mu no wa ni Italy. Abi pajiro. Obele go so money. All this Manjana, signora, manjana. Don't be bad. Don't be bad. Under the mango tree. Wonderful. Nyama people. Abe le gbe Hein, awe na le kuwa gun. Na kele jebe Akobe. Don't na awe. Na gewe. Àwọn Akobe ya mu ogbo wa popa nu wa. Mi aize logere na Akobe no wo ana. No ke mi dan mu dan. Uno ki royin lawa. E fa mai mu e fa mai lawa egbe na yan wa iku we ku. Say don't pursue you party now. Your eye don't clear. Police don't bust you now. See.
Wage o Akobe Majesty o model motor gbalegbe blue bodo. Ugbe garden Akobe ni ile la o Majesty ku. Iya kuliya tie gas kule wo hia o Akobe ni ari Rita.
Tear gas. E police ya kule wo yakwa. Be ho. Akobe ni Rita. Oh God. Iye boy. Awa gun de Akobe, abe popular Akobe. Comment donc moi看vidéo là? La Akobe il est là dans de wana rije na wa ya non. Pas quoi gon que non là. DJ Jeffy, le master wala là. Oh, Puerto Rico. Toye. Oh, my beautiful daughter, it's a talk show. I see you.
Hello, Daddy.
Iwedo.
Good afternoon, Daddy.
What all?
They never see say they don't use police for sheep papa.
He never see him. He never see him. He never see him.
Every time we want our dollar. Upon all the juju we don't carry.
19 juju.
You don't use a pursue police. Police are you when that's our face. I hope you don't listen to Akobe for there.
Thank you everyone for watching. God bless you all, my amazing people. My people, what you now think about this Umenwan video where they saga Akobe? So what you now think? My people, make una not fail to drop on a comment on our comment section. God bless you all. Bye bye.